Well, President Uhuru Kenyatta is now a grandfather. The news was announced by Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu during the inauguration luncheon at State House yesterday. Netanyahu said it was a double celebration for Uhuru for being re-elected and getting a granddaughter. Jomo Kenyatta and his wife, Fiona Chola, welcomed a baby girl on Sunday.
Congratulations. And our many friends from Africa. This is a double celebration today because I understood from the First Lady, from Margaret, that you have a granddaughter. Now, I don't know what is harder, to bring a granddaughter to the world or to get re-elected. I've been re-elected. It's a wonderful feeling. I recommend it to all of you. But of course, it creates a great challenge to fulfill the mandate that the people give you to make their lives better and safer. I want you to know that Israel is your partner in achieving those goals.
Let's take a short break here on